Hi, I'm here from Aunt Am's Quilts and Am's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this Forever Scrap Bustin' free-for-all block. It's just a 4-patch and a 4-patch and a 4-patch, but it will bust through your scraps. I've made many quilts using this block, and sadly I've given them all away, so I can't display one behind me, but I will show pictures at the end of this video of ways that you can lay it out, because there's lots of ways, and I will show you 4 different ones just to go along with our 4 theme. Make sure if you like my videos to like and subscribe. Let's get started. I really like this block because I can cut it totally out with my Go Cutter. So I use my 1.5 inch strips cutter, and I cut me a bunch of strips. And if you want to check out my video on scrap busting on the go, you can see how I cut those out. But then I just so this is going to be my chain through, and these are my other scraps that I'm just using. I'm going to give myself a straight edge to begin with. And I can stick this back on the go, but I'll just show you here. And I'm going to cut these at 1.5. And I just get a variety. I have a whole bunch of 1.5 inch strips sewed with the background so that I have a lot to work with. So I'll take 2 of those. I'm going to butt up my seams here so they interlock, and I'm going to stitch across here, and that will give me a cute little 4-patch. If you want to know how to press, how I press these so I don't have a lot of bulk, if you watch the video I did last week on my 3 easy steps, it will show you how to pop and twist that seam so that you don't have a lot of bulk. So onto this 4-patch, I am going to sew a 2.5 inch square, and I just cut those out with my 2.5 inch Go strip cutter. And I will put a link down below so you can know what dies I use and where to get your Go Cutter if you're interested. When you're sewing this onto this, make sure that your chain is up in this corner and going down on each one, or your chain won't make a chain. I know this, and it's a problem. So we're going to stitch along here. Okay, then you're going to take 2 of those units, put them together, let the seams butt up, and we're going to stitch across here. And that will give us this cute 4-patch. With this 4-patch, we're just going to take, I want it next to the yellow, and I'm going to take a 4.5 inch square. I have a die that cuts the 4.5 inch square just from my 12 inch cube that I use, so I can cut a bunch of those at one time. And we're just going to sew that together like that, and sew along this edge so our chain is going through here like this. Okay, and that gives us this cute unit, and we're going to put 2 of those together. It's getting harder to hold in my hand. And we're going to flip those and just sew along this edge. Alright, and then we'll end up with our cute block. Isn't that fun and easy? So just rinse and repeat, keep making blocks. Now I'm going to show you pictures of a few layouts of how to put those together. And if you want a pattern that shows you how to do that, I will put a link for that in the description below, and you can buy a pattern that will show you all 4 of the ways that are shown to put this quilt together. It will give you the directions. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.